Hello, my name is Mike Geig, and welcome to my video series on Windows programming with C#. This video is to serve as an introductory video to kind of explain what we're going to be covering in this course so you know if this course is right for you. First thing to know that while I will be covering some very basic programming concepts such as variables, control structures, and such, a solid understanding of programming is preferable before beginning this course. So whether you know C# or VB or C++ or any other language, uh, just a basic understanding of programming would be very useful before taking this course. I am going to cover, like I said, the more basic concepts, but I'm going to be covering them quickly so we can get up to speed with the C# syntax so we can get into the Windows programming. The next thing I want to mention is something we're going to be doing called console programming and Windows programming. I know this is Windows programming with C#, but we will be beginning with some console applications to get familiar with the language, and then we will move into Windows applications. So if you watch the first few minutes and you wonder, hey, why are we doing everything in consoles? I thought this was a Windows programming course. The Windows programming is coming. I just want to start with consoles. And finally, we are going to look at something I like to call procedural versus event-driven programming. Basically, when we're using a console, everything's going to be very procedural. That is in order, kind of like a cascading waterfall where the logic just flows. Then we're going to move on to Windows programming. We're going to be looking at something much more akin to event-driven programming, where our applications will wait for the users to actually do something or some events to arise. It can be a very new and challenging way of thinking about programming, and so I wanted to mention it here in the introductory video so you could start thinking about it a little bit. Alright, that's going to wrap up this introduction video. In the next video, we will be exploring the Visual Studio 2010 interface.